there's sort of another theme or pattern that we see in some of your litigation here, and this one is specifically focusing on Hawaii's laws.
Yes, thanks for having me, Steve. Today, a judge, a couple days ago, I prevailed at the Ninth Circuit on a butterfly knife case, and the Ninth Circuit found that knives as a general matter are constitutionally protected. And specifically, Hawaii's ban on butterfly knives is unconstitutional.
And then one day later, you had another ruling?
Yes, sir.
In a separate case?
And then the next day, literally the next day, we were granted a temporary restraining order against several aspects of Hawaii law regarding the census of places ban on carry. And that's essentially what Hawaii had done is after the Bruin decision, where they were required to issue permits. And after Bruin, I had a case, Young v. Hawaii, and that sort of put the...
This is another Hawaii case that you you were involved with about open carry, right?
Yes. It was actually just about some form of carry. They completely banned carry over there.
Right.
And that sparked them to need to pass what they call SB 1230. That banned carry in virtually the entire state. They really mimicked the bans that have been passed in New York, New Jersey, and Maryland, and are being proposed in California and Massachusetts. And in that sense, they were banned. They put in something called a default rule, where a business has to affirmatively put up a sign or otherwise give consent to allow a person to carry. And then they simply banned carry. Didn't even give businesses the option in many other types of businesses. And on top of that, they banned carry in parks and beaches, along with government parking lots, all sorts of places. And we sued.
We have banks and restaurants as well, right?
Yes. And we sued in the county of Maui. And that comprises, it's technically 5 islands, but there's only 3 populated islands. The other 2 are just very small. And of the 3 populated islands, that's Maui and Molokai, and the other one starts with a K. I can't pronounce it. Lanai. I'm sorry, Lanai. Those are the 3. 96.4% of the county of Maui they ban carrying under SB 1230 under Hawaii law. Now,
under these sensitive, they basically said that 96% of the county of Maui is a sensitive place of one sort or another. That's what you're saying?
Sir. We went through the various publicly available county maps. This all just and just extrapolate from that off we figured out how many businesses there were, all the different parks and beaches, etc. It worked out to be 96.4%. There's a little bit of a standard deviation there because we didn't know exactly the size of a road, for example, so we used the average for roads. So, I think maybe say roughly 96%. That can't be. You cannot say, the Supreme Court cannot say they have a right to carry a firearm, and then for a state to ban carry in roughly 96% of the publicly accessible state outside the home. That just breaks, that doesn't pass the smell test.